categories. Half of them, that means out of the 24%, half of them, that means from the whole population, 12% is Sri Lankan Tamils. They are the native Sri Lankan Tamils who are mostly they are living in the northern and eastern side of Sri Lanka. Okay. Sri Lankan map is just like my hand. Please remember. So this is north, south, east, west. Northern coast and eastern coast. They are living about 12% of the Sri Lankan Tamils who are living here from 2,600 years and more than that. Okay. So then they speak Tamil language. And also Sri Lankan Muslim community, they call themselves Mua Muslims. So about 8% of them, they speak also Tamil language as their mother tongue. Okay. Then there's a 5% of the other Tamil speaking people, they are living in the middle of Sri Lanka, Nuwara, Matale and Kandy district and Ratnapura district, Kegol district, like this in the middle of the country. So they came to Sri Lanka after 1826. Those are the people who came from South India and as tea plantation workers. So they came as tea plantation workers. So they live in Sri Lanka about 200 years now. So they are Sri Lankan Tamils also. But they call themselves Sri Lankan Tamils with Indian origin. So that is how they call themselves. So altogether about 24% of the people speaking Tamil language in Sri Lanka. On the bottom you can see English language is there. Because before 1948 English was the national language in Sri Lanka because we were under the British rule. Okay. From the year 1796 British people captured the coastal belt areas of Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka is an island. Around Sri Lanka we have Indian Ocean. Okay? All the coastal belt areas of Sri Lanka was captured by English people from the Dutch. Before Dutch, Portuguese were there. Okay? Coastal belt area they captured from 1796 up to the 2nd March 1815. 2nd March 1815, our people, they gave themselves the power to the English King George III to rule the whole Sri Lanka as a whole country as a British colony. So we were under the British rule until the 4th February 1948. You got the independence 15th August 1947. Just 6 months after we also got so-called independence. It's not the real independence but it was a Dominion status. So we got the Dominion status from that time until the 22nd May 1972 we became a republic.
Hari Bol.
So anyhow we are having these three languages. All three languages are national languages. All three languages are official languages. So that means any form or anything which is printed by the government, anything printed by the government for the people, they should print it all three languages. And the people can use any of these three languages to fill these forms. Okay, that is the rule. Okay, we have three languages policy. All the three languages are used by all Sri Lankans. Okay. So then we have four main religions in Sri Lanka. 70% of the Sri Lankans are Buddhist people. Then 12% of Sri Lankans are Hindus. 8% of Sri Lankans are Muslim. Also 8% of Christians we have. Out of the Christians, majority of them are Catholics. Because Christianity came to India in the 1st century AD after the arrival of Apostle Thomas to Coromandel. Okay? India Christianity is 2000 years old. But the Sri Lankan Christianity we got to know from the Portuguese, just 500 years before. So Portuguese people brought the Catholic sector. So that is why so many Christians in Sri Lanka are Catholics. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, so first of all, now we are driving in the highway. In a few minutes later, we are coming out of the highway and get the normal way to go to the town called Bangadeniya. In Bangadeniya town, there is an important temple called Manavari Temple. Manavari Temple, it seems, that was the first Ramalinga Shivam was made there. Because after the killing of King Ravana, Prince Rama got the Brahmasitosha, get rid of Brahmasitosha. He had to worship the Shivalingam in various places. So first of all, he came to Bangadari area and he himself made the Shivalingam out of sand. Sand in Tamil language called Man. Avari means to make something and worship it. So Man Avari became Manavari. So Manavari temple is the place where the Prince Rama made the first Ramalinga Shivam. So that temple we will go to see. That temple, if somebody wanted to go inside, then there's a ticket, 100 rupees per each. Okay, 100 rupees per person. Sri Lankan rupees, huh? Okay. All the payments in Sri Lanka you have to do in Sri Lankan money, Sri Lankan rupees. Or cards. Indian currency we can't use here. Okay, because you see, when I go to India with my Sri Lankan money, what I can start there? Nothing. Same. Okay, you are in a different country. So, cards are okay. Even I use my Sri Lankan card in Malaysia 2 times in the last year. Yeah, credit card. No, it's a debit card. Actually, not credit card. Debit card also I use there. So like that you can use the cards. But the small payments you have to pay by cash.
Then we'll get tanker. We'll get change, you know.
At the airport there are so many banks were there.
Yeah.
So let's see. Yeah, so normally 1 to 3 people are changing. Okay? If you like to change, I can find somebody in the evening to change. Okay. So per 1 Sri Lankan, per 1 Indian rupee you are getting 3 Sri Lankan rupees. Okay? So that's the normal rate here. So then after we visiting Manavari temple, we will come back few kilometers again and we turn to the Kurunagala road and then we will visit the Munneshwaram temple. Munneshwaram temple, that is the first Ishwaram temple in Sri Lanka. At Chilao, we will visit that temple and after that we have about 4 hours drive. 4 hours drive to reach our dinner place. 4 hours, so it can be maybe 5 hours.
Oh,
Yeah, because even worse. Because that's a big bus. Small buses 4 hours, but these buses maybe 5 hours. So that's the thing. So then we will reach our dinner place at about at least 10:30 if we can reach there to the dinner place. That's very good. Okay, we don't know how it's.
and staying
the
also
type
there.
of it. Yeah.
Staying there only.
Some of the buses staying there.
Mm.
Some of the buses we have different hotels. So there are 3 different hotels in Habarna. So the hotel where you are staying is Covendro.
Covendro.
Hotel. Yeah, Covendro Hotel.
Like Trivandrum.
They are, according to my knowledge, so they are arranging today your dinner at Acme Hotel. Acme Hotel, so they are cooking. The Nepali people, they cook there and they are prepared the dinner. Okay. So those are the things for today. And tomorrow, early in the morning, just after the breakfast, we leave from Habarana to the town called Trincomalee.
Shankari.
Yeah, Habarana to Trincomalee, it will take about 2.5 to 3 hours drive. Then there, early in the morning, we are leaving because that Lakshmi Narayan temple, they close at 11:30, 12 o'clock. So before that, we have to visit the Lakshmi Narayan temple. Then we will visit the place where the hot water springs are there. There's a place called Kanya. We have 7 hot water springs there. According to Ramayana legend, the Ravana made these 7 hot water springs to get the hot water to his mother's funeral rituals. So because of that, because according to legends, this Trincomalee was here. So this Sri Lanka, Trincomalee is situated here in the eastern coast. Okay, that was, now it's called in Trincomalee, but in early days, thousands of years before, that was called as Gokarna. Gokarna is the birthplace of Ravana's wife Mandodari, and Ravana used to live there also. Okay, and Ravana is a Shiva Bhakta, so to worship Lord Shiva, he made the Shivatandava Stotra at Trincomalee,
Oh,
and that is the place where he worshipped the Shiva. So, because of that, they built the Tirukoneshwaram temple. Inside the Tirukoneshwaram temple, we have Shaktipeetham. Okay, Shaktipeetham Tirukoneshwaram temple we will visit day after tomorrow, not tomorrow. Huh? So tomorrow we will cover the other temples and other places in Trincomalee. Next day morning up to evening you have the Yagnam. The whole day you will stay at that temple there. At Trincomalee, Tirukoneshwaram temple. In the Tirukoneshwaram temple, okay, if you enter the Tirukoneshwaram temple direct, straight heads Tirukoneshwaram temple. From there, there's a ticket office. Near to that, in the left side, there's a small temple. That is what we call as Shankari Devi temple or Shakti Peetham. I think many of Andhra Pradesh ladies, Telangana ladies, they bring saris to worship that. Okay, I saw many times. So there we have big yagnam from the morning up to evening. So there we have a lunch also there day after tomorrow. So so we will visit all these places in the next today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Okay. So that's the program.
any questions?
Water bottle.
Okay.
He said water bottle.
Yes, after we getting out of the highway now, so the assistant of the bus, he will provide you water bottles. And some of them already taken. Okay, no problem.
Everything Eric.
Yeah, okay. He will provide. So now we are in the normal road, normal highway.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Anirudh Prabhu ki. Thank you, Anirudh Pandaji. Dhanyavad. You given very good, wonderful narration about Sri Lanka and about this linguistic. Thank you. I got. I have. Thank you. Thank you. I'll give the back side. No problem. Dire dire. Peranna. Per Tamil.
Lakma.
Huh?
Lakma.
Lakmal. Lakmal. Nice.
And okay.
And
Okay, our driver's name is Lakshman and the assistant is Lakmal.
wow, see, our guide is Aniruddha from Mahabharata and our driver is Lakshman from Ramayan. Wow, we are lucky to have Lakshman and we are fortunate to have Aniruddha.
Okay.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much. Andaru gattiga cheppandi Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Repeat cheyandi Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Govinda. 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 Sri Lanka Yatra ki. Shankari Mai ki. Sitaram Chandramurti Bhagavan ki. Veera Hanuman ki. Govinda. Jai Shri Ram. Very cool Sri Lanka. Very soft Sri Lanka. Once upon time they suffer a lot with LTT. Correct now? How many? Maybe 20 years? More than?
More than that, from 1983 up to 2009.
Oh,
Long time.
till Prabhakaran end.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Until his death.
83 and 2009 means 93, 2003, more than 30 years. Huh?
Almost 30 years.
Oh, no Prashantam. That era. Huh? So much.
Because, all the money of the states goes to the war.
Only fighting.
Yeah.
Fighting. Fighting.
And because of that,
To control.
the country couldn't develop at that time.
No develop.
Yeah, no develop. All the
Only
the
fighting.
money goes to the weapons.
Yeah.
Protection.
Yeah. Save the country.
Now we can use that money
For developing.
Develop the country.
Yeah, correct, no?
Yeah.
So
Only
like,
come now.
See, India, no more bomb attacks, no more terrorists from past 10 years. Only growth, only development, roads, railway, airports, villages, everything, deeper development. So we need more peaceful people, not peaceful religions.
Oh, again, then put up free.
Sir, the ground, sir.
అదే చెప్పారుగా 8% ఆఫ్ గొర్రెల్స్ ఆర్ హియర్. దే ఆర్ ఆల్సో. ఇదంతా అంటించుకున్నదే. నేచురల్ ఏంటి, మన నేచర్ ఏంటి, అందరూ హిందువులు, ఇవన్నీ అంటించుకున్నవే. రావణాసురుడు ఇక్కడ గొప్ప శివభక్తి చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ ఎలా వచ్చినాయండి? ఇది జాడి అంట. కానీ చాలా ప్రశాంతంగా ఉంది కదా
బాగుంది.
శ్రీలంక.
బాగుంది.
టీవీఎస్ షోరూమ్ ఉన్నట్టుంది ఇక్కడ.
Oh,
ధీరే ధీరే.
आप इधर मैं शॉर्टकट करते मैं शॉर्टकट करते ना हरी टॉपिक इधर चला या मोटर का हरी किलोमीटर उधार कर शॉर्टकट करते
ఇదంతా సముద్రం, సముద్ర దేశం. చూడండి, సింగం హార్డ్వేర్ అంట.
సిలోన్ రేడియో ఉంటుంది.
అది ఇదివరకు రేడియోలో ఉండేది కదా సిలోన్. అప్పుడు మనం ఏలోన్, సిలోన్ 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 అదే రేడియో ఛానల్ వచ్చేది కదా. ఓ పాటలు వచ్చాయి అప్పుడు. పాట వచ్చేదండి చిన్నప్పుడు. వాళ్ళు పాట పాడేవాళ్ళు సిలోన్ స్టేషన్లో. అదేంటంటే కరుణామయుడే అని వచ్చేది. మేము మహిషాసురుడే సుఖేస్తూ అని, ఓహో ఈ రాక్షసుడు ఇలా వచ్చాడా అనుకునేవాళ్ళం చిన్నప్పుడు తెలవక. కానీ ఈ పాపిస్త్రీ వీళ్ళు అన్ని దేశాలు ఆక్రమించుకుని వాళ్ళ మతాన్ని రుద్ది ఆ దరిద్రాన్ని దేశద్రోహులందరినీ తయారు చేస్తారు. కాబట్టి ప్రపంచ దేశాలు ప్రశాంతంగా ఎవరి జీవితం వాడు జీవించాలంటే ఈ ఎడారి మతాల యొక్క ఊసు ఎవరి మీద ఉండకుండా ఉంటే ఎవరి జీవితం వాడు జీవిస్తాడు. వీళ్ళేమో అన్నీ మేమే కావాలి, అన్నీ మేమే ఆక్రమించేయాలి అనుకుంటారు. అందుకని ప్రపంచమే రక్షించబడాలి. ఓన్లీ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇండియా. భారత్ మాతాకి జై.